In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can Google Bard outsmart ChatGPT? To answer that, we'll compare their core philosophies and how that plays out in real work. Google's model, now called Gemini, formerly Bard, acts like a live AI layer woven into your Google world. It lives inside Gmail, Docs, and Android, quietly anticipating what you need next. That makes it a champion of convenience and personal context. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is the dedicated specialist. It focuses on raw reasoning and creative nuance, which makes it ideal for isolated, complex problems or starting ambitious projects from a blank page. Here's where Gemini shines. It has native access to the world's most used productivity suite, so it can operate where your files, emails, and schedules already live. Its massive context window, up to 2 million tokens, means you can bring in entire codebases or huge documents and get instant, coherent analysis without chopping things up. Inside Google Workspace, it can draft an email from a doc you're working on or pull flight details from your inbox to update your calendar, keeping everything in sync. And because it grounds responses in live Google search, it's faster and more dependable for breaking news and real-time data, reducing the need to copy information between tabs. Now, why does ChatGPT still feel intellectually sharper for many people? It often maintains an edge in multi-step reasoning, mathematical proofs, and faithfully following deeply layered instructions. When you need structured thinking that doesn't lose the thread, it delivers. It also tends to write with more human flair, which matters if you're crafting marketing copy or a script. And with agentic workflows, where it plans, calls tools, and revises over long stretches, ChatGPT is better suited for sustained, autonomous project work. So which one should you use? It depends entirely on the task. Gemini wins when you need to summarize a long YouTube video, surface a specific drive file without digging, or rely on an AI that understands your schedule and can move information across your apps. ChatGPT wins when you're debugging complex code, outlining or drafting a novel, or you want a Socratic tutor to walk you through difficult concepts step by step. The reality in 2026 is simple. Most people treat Gemini as a logistics assistant and ChatGPT as a synthesis engine. Gemini leads in what you might call spatial intelligence, knowing where your data is and shuttling it between apps. ChatGPT leads in analytical intelligence, the ability to deconstruct and rebuild complex ideas logically. In short, Gemini knows your world. ChatGPT knows how to think. Use both and match the tool to the job.